So you've done it. You've created your own website. You have a checklist on whether you've added things such as header tags, CTAs, paragraphs, and so meta description, and so on. But another thing to always think about is your website mobile responsive? And anyway, how can I check that? Well, my name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, we'll just be going through with you how you can check if your website is mobile friendly using the Chrome browser and Google Search Console. Okay, so let's hop straight into it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your desired URL. In this instance, we'll be using pearllemoncatering.com. We won't focus on too much on the other stuff that we've mentioned, such as meta titles and header tags. We'll be mainly focusing on how you can check if it's mobile responsive. So mobile responsive means that if a person is using their mobile device, it will be able to respond to their dimensions or width of their page. All right. So let's say you've developed your website on a desktop, which is most likely. How can you look at it in the eye of a mobile user? So if you're using a Windows computer, you want to click on F12 and it will open what's called the developer options. So as you can see here, this is what you see right here. So this is just my normal Chrome browser, as you can see, and I usually like to get this popped out so it does not disturb me. Yeah, pop up right here. So it's a separate tab and keep the main one. As you can see, this website is responsive. And what's really cool about this little tool is you can change to whatever dimension that you like. Let's say, for example, you're using an iPhone 12 Pro. You can put it in the dimension of an iPhone 12 Pro. As you can see here, you'd want to also increase the width to 100% so you can see how it would perform on iPhone 12 Pro. Let's say, for example, you do not have a specific width that you'd like to go for. So you just like to check if it's responsive. So you just click on this little navigator tool right here. So while you're here, you can also check if for other dimensions that we mentioned, but also for tablet mode. As you can see, per Lemon Catering, the URL is, well, mobile responsive, as well as not just mobile responsive, but also for different dimensions of a PC. All right, so that's just a quick way you can do without using any external tools and how you can check if your website is mobile responsive. The second method is if you have access to that website's Google Search Console. This is another better way because this is the way Google sees your website as well. So what you want to do is you want to navigate to Google Search Console right here and select the project over here. As you can see, I have Pearl Lemon Catering already there. Once you've arrived to this page, most likely, you'd want to scroll down to mobile usability. And right here, it will tell you all the pages that are on your website. For example, in this example, we have 44 pages on our Pearl Lemon Catering website, and all of this are mobile responsive. If you have issues, it will tell you right here what those issues are. Like, for example, text might be too small, clickable elements are too close together, content wider than the screen. So all of that is something that you would want to look out for. It also tells you how you also are doing well on the website. Like, for example, as you see here, all the URLs and when last these issues were detected. As you can see, this was last detected yesterday. Okay, so that was a quick tutorial on how you can check if your website is mobile responsive using Chrome browser and Google Search Console. For more SEO tips, please feel free to follow us here at ProLemon at this channel, as well as visit our website at pearllemon.com, and we'll see you in our next tutorial video. Enjoy. Ciao.